Rachel, so what happens?
And then the energy goes to the sun, and then the planet goes into the sun, sucks every energy up, and then milk goes in.
Milk goes into the sun?
Yeah, and then the cookies go in the sun, and then sucks every energy up. Then the sun shoots out, it's a white laser. And the whole world white. Mommy, and then the sun shoots out, and the whole world covered with light. And then the world gets bigger and bigger, and then the world covered with earthquakes in the sun keeps the earthquakes away from houses and sidewalks and sort of. Mommy, the sun keeps earthquakes from that. Mama!
I'm looking. I'm finished.
Mommy, the earthquake go to the sun and the sun sucks every energy up from the earthquake and covers the houses for the earthquake going go on the houses, and then the sidewalk got darker and darker, and then the sun pushed out for the sunlight, and then the sun keeps the earthquakes away from the sidewalk, and so the free and so the flash.
Wow.
And the mantle, and the mantle.
The Earth's crust, the mantle and the Earth?
Yeah, the mantle on Earth sucks energy. So the mantle on the Earth sucks energy from every kind of candy, but the earthquake kind of don't like sun and...
The earthquake doesn't like the sun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rachel, is there pressure in the mantle? You were saying before there's pressure.
Yeah.
What were you saying about that?
I don't know. The mantle goes into the sun and sucks every energy up. And then the mantle goes into the sun, sucks everything up. Then the mantle goes into the sun, sucks everything up, and goes off.
No.
And then it pulls, and then it started to bigger and bigger. And then
You lost weight for the day. I'll explain too. What causes an earthquake? Do you remember?
it caused energy from the sun.
Is that what causes an earthquake?
Yeah.
That's just a big deal.
Mom, and then the mantle pushing on something, and then the mantle sucks everything up, so the mantle can go in the sun. And then the mantle sucks everything up, and then the mantle started very flaky with volcanoes. And then the world started with volcanoes, with lava on the houses. Then the mantle, with the mantle, sunlight set every mantle off, so the sunlight can be viewed from the sun.